Hi, this is Dr. Galip Gürel, and I would like to welcome you all to our 2-day signature hands-on course on advanced aesthetics in dentistry. The course will take place in this beautiful facility of CAPP Institute, which is located in the heart of Dubai. It's going to be covering almost everything from A to Z, starting from the basics and how we would end up in digital applications of all these concepts. So also we will be doing everything that we taught theoretically on the beautifully designed phantom models in a hands-on fashion. So whatever you see, you have to be executing it real-time on the models. So I'm really excited to start doing these 2 days hands-on courses, and I again would like to welcome you all to this beautiful institute training center of CAPP in the heart of Dubai.